Does your mind ever feel like a runaway train? You're stuck replaying the past or worrying about the future, and you completely miss the life that's happening right in front of you. You're here, but your mind is somewhere else entirely. It feels like you're a guest in your own life. This constant mental noise is exhausting, isn't it? It's like being stuck on a treadmill of thoughts you just can't get off of, and it robs you of peace and joy. But what if you could find the emergency brake? What if you held the key to free your mind and actually live in the moment? Well, you do. It's a simple, science-backed mindfulness exercise that you can use literally anywhere at any time. This isn't about fighting your thoughts or forcing them away. It's about gently shifting your focus, taking back the controls, and anchoring yourself to reality. This technique is called the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding method. It's so effective because it pulls you out of your head and connects you to the world by engaging all 5 of your senses one by one. Think of it as a reset button for a spiraling mind. When your thoughts are racing, this exercise breaks the loop by guiding your brain to focus on what's actually around you, offering almost immediate relief. So the next time you feel overwhelmed or lost in thought, I want you to just pause and try this. Let's walk through it together right now. First, wherever you are, just take a slow, deep breath. In through your nose and out through your mouth. You don't need a quiet room or any fancy equipment. This is designed for real life. Step 1, name 5 things you can see. Look around. It can be anything. The lamp in the corner, a crack on the sidewalk, the color of your sleeve, a cloud, a pen on your desk. Don't just glance at them. Really see them. Notice their shape, their color, their details. Name them silently to yourself or out loud if you can. Step 2, find 4 things you can touch. Bring your awareness to the physical world. What do you feel? Maybe it's your feet on the floor, the texture of your chair, the fabric of your jeans, or the cool, smooth surface of a table. You can even reach out and touch something. The goal is to connect with your body and feel where you are. Step 3, listen for 3 things you can hear. If it helps, close your eyes for a second. What sounds are around you? Maybe it's the hum of a computer, a clock ticking, your own breathing, or birds outside. We usually tune these sounds out. Right now, your only job is to notice them without judgment. Step 4, identify 2 things you can smell. This one can be subtle, so take a deep breath. Can you smell coffee, rain in the air, a plant in the room, or maybe just the simple scent of clean or dusty air? Your sense of smell is a powerful anchor to the present moment. And finally, step 5, notice 1 thing you can taste. You might still taste the coffee you had this morning, you could take a sip of water and notice how it feels, or you can simply notice the natural taste inside your mouth. This last step completes the sensory scan. Go ahead and take 1 more deep breath. How do you feel? A little calmer? More centered? More here? You just successfully hit the brakes on that runaway train of thought. The magic of this exercise is its simplicity. Anxiety lives in the future, and regret lives in the past. But your senses can only exist right here, right now. By tuning into them, you gently pull yourself back to the present moment. And remember, your mind will wander again. That's its job. This isn't about having a perfectly empty mind. That's not the goal. The goal is to practice guiding your focus back, gently, over and over. Every time you do this, you're building a muscle. You're training your brain to come back home to the present moment. So the next time you feel your thoughts starting to spiral, give the 5-4-3-2-1 exercise a try. Don't just know it, use it. I'd love to hear how it went for you, so please share your experience in the comments below. Your story might be exactly what someone else needs to read today. And if you found this helpful and want more simple, practical ways to improve your mental well-being, make sure you subscribe. You have the power to direct your focus, and you can start right now.